Marnie, do you want to give the puppies a treat?
Yeah.
Okay, can you go give them a treat?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go get in the drawer and get them a treat. Here you go. Let me help you. Here you go. Marnie, give it to Tortilla. Give the treat to Puppy. Good. Now where's Miley's? Where's one for my Mai? Yes, where's my mice? Good job. Okay, all done. Shut the door. Out. No more. One per puppy, that's it. No. Okay, shut the door. Yay!